How to use gestures navigation bar in Narzo 80x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on system navigation. If you select buttons, then here you can change your button layout, and if you want to use gestures navigation bar, now simply click on a gestures, and if you swipe left it will go back, and if you swipe right then it will also go back, and if you want to go back all home screen, then simply swipe up in the middle of your phone and it will go back to your home screen. So this is the way to use gesture navigation bar in Narzo 80x. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.